Imagine building a top-performing podcast without ever picking up a microphone. No interviews, no awkward silences, no editing marathons, just pure automated audio content that earns passive income while you sleep. Welcome to the wild frontier of AI-powered podcasting, where algorithms write your episodes, AI voices bring them to life, and software platforms distribute them across Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and everywhere else the masses tune in. This isn't science fiction. It's a brand new wave of opportunity, and it's exploding right now. Today, you'll discover exactly how to launch your own profitable AI podcast without ever speaking a word. We're diving into the AI tools that write scripts, clone voices, and automate your podcast production from start to finish. You'll also learn how creators are cashing in, from sponsorships to syndication royalties, turning AI-generated episodes into real dollars. And the best part? Once it's all set up, the show runs on autopilot. Let's pull back the curtain and show you exactly how this new wave of automated podcasting works, and how you can ride it straight to the bank. Start with the heartbeat: AI writing the script. Every great podcast begins with compelling content, and thanks to advanced language models, you no longer need to spend hours researching, outlining, or writing. AI writing assistants like ChatGPT, Jasper AI can generate engaging, educational, or entertaining scripts on any niche you choose, from tech trends to financial advice, even fictional storytelling. You simply enter a prompt or episode idea, and the AI creates a natural-sounding script tailored to your audience. Want a 15-minute motivational podcast? Just ask. A 10-minute breakdown of AI in healthcare? Done. You can train the AI to match a specific tone: serious, humorous, dramatic, even simulate your favorite hosts. Some creators feed old transcripts from popular podcasts to fine-tune the AI's tone and style. The result? Original, on-brand content that sounds like a human, without you lifting a finger. Bring it to life. AI voice generation tools. Once the script is ready, it's time to give it a voice. That's where AI voice generators come in, and they're eerily good. Tools like 11 Labs, 𝗪𝗵Project.ai, 𝗪𝗵Project.ai, and Play.ht allow you to convert text into studio-quality audio using voices so realistic, listeners can't tell it's synthetic. Some tools even let you clone your voice, or choose from a range of personas. From calm narrators to energetic radio hosts, you can adjust the tone, pitch, speed, and emotion. More advanced platforms like 𝗬𝐴𝐺 Labs even offer emotion modeling, letting the AI voice act frustrated, excited, empathetic, you name it. The result? You get a fully voiced podcast that sounds rich, professional, and human. No microphones, no re-recordings, no need to speak at all. Polish it up. AI audio editing and background music. With your narration ready, it's time to polish the episode. AI audio editors like Auphonic and Descript can clean up the sound, removing background noise, optimizing volume, and adding effects. Want intro music, transitions, or ambient soundscapes? Tools like SoundRaw and 𝗪𝗪Project use AI to create royalty-free tracks on demand. Choose the genre, mood, and length, and the AI composes original music that fits your episode perfectly. These platforms also help sync music with narration, fade transitions, and normalize sound levels, so your podcast sounds like it came from a top-tier studio. How do you turn this into money? Welcome to the monetization matrix, where AI doesn't just produce content, it also builds income streams you can scale, multiply, and stack. Let's start with the most obvious revenue stream: sponsorships. Companies are always on the hunt for high-engagement podcast slots to promote their products. But the game has changed. Today, it's not about who you are. It's about what your content delivers. Even a faceless podcast with no human host can attract deals if it brings consistent value, niche relevance, and loyal listeners. You can pitch the sponsors directly or use platforms like Podcorn, Gumball, AdvertiseCast. These connect you with brands offering pre-roll, mid-roll, or outro sponsorships, all customizable within your AI scripts. Just generate a 30-second ad spot with the same AI voice, and you've monetized without ever speaking. Now let's go deeper. Another income layer? Programmatic ads. Hosted on platforms like Spotify for podcasters or Anchor, these are automatically inserted into your episodes. The more downloads you get, the more you earn. Completely passive. This model is driven by CPM, cost per 1,000 plays. Even a small show generating 5,000 to 10,000 downloads per episode can rake in hundreds to thousands of dollars a month. And remember, AI lets you scale multiple shows. That's multiple CPM income streams, all compounding over time. But what if we told you there's more? Affiliate marketing. This is where the AI-powered podcast becomes a true income machine. With the right strategy, your faceless show can recommend courses, tools, books, apps, products. And each mention includes your unique affiliate link in the show notes. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or PartnerStack make this seamless. And again, your AI voice reads the pitch. No talking, no manual work. Just automated promotion that runs 24/7. Use your podcast as a top-of-funnel engine that pushes listeners to download a free resource, join your email list, buy your AI-generated course, subscribe to your faceless newsletter. This is where tools like ConvertKit, MailerLite, and Systeme.io come in. You can automate the entire funnel, from lead magnets to upsells, creating a fully passive income stream fueled by your podcast. And here's the real kicker. AI can create that course, that newsletter, that entire funnel too. You're not just building a podcast. You're building a content flywheel powered entirely by machines. The AI writes the content. It narrates it. It markets it. It monetizes it. And it scales it. But let's pause for a second, because there's a dangerous myth floating around. That this is easy money. That anyone can do it overnight. Let's be real. AI gives you the tools, but you still need the blueprint. You still need the right niche, keyword research, engaging hooks, quality sound design, consistency, analytics tracking. Yes, the heavy lifting is automated, but the strategy, the vision, the growth plan, that's still you. Ready to launch your AI-powered podcasting empire? Then don't just consume this knowledge, use it. Pick your niche, fire up the tools, write the prompt, hit generate, and let the machine speak your vision into the world. Because in this new world, silence isn't empty, it's automated. You don't need a studio, a mic, or even your own voice to build a powerful podcasting brand in 2025. With AI doing the heavy lifting, from script writing to voiceovers to distribution, all you need is an idea and execution. If you're ready to stop listening and start earning, don't just dream about having your own show. Automate it. The tools are waiting, the audience is growing, and the sponsors are out there hunting for creators like you. Subscribe for more AI-powered income strategies that actually work. And in the comments, tell us this. What niche would your AI podcast cover? We might feature it in our next video. Until next time, let the AI speak and let the money flow.